Pinterest. How to make Pinterest bot 2025 from laptop and smartphone. Hi guys, this is Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Go to your Pinterest, click Saved, click on Saved. After that, find plus, click on plus, click on bot, create bot, click on bot. After that, name your bot, for example, Ukraine 2, and click on create. Guys, you made your Pinterest bot, but you need to fill this bot and name a description back to your Pinterest account main page. To saved, you will see new Pinterest bot. Move to this Pinterest bot and click on pencil. Click on pencil. Name your bot right. Add this main keywords, name of your item, main keywords to sell your item. It's so much important. Of course, add description, use main keywords of your item, and after that, click done. How to make a Pinterest bot 2025 from smartphone? Guys, don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel. And number 1, open Pinterest. Number 2, click on plus. Number 3, click on bot. Number 4, add bot name. And number 5, click on create. Guys, if you have any questions about Pinterest, Etsy, write under this video. Guys, if you need to sell more from Etsy or another website, use Pinterest. Use my ebook How to Use Pinterest for Beginners. It's about Pinterest SEO, about keywords, and how to sell, how to promote your any items on Pinterest. And for Etsy sellers, 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers to help promote their Etsy shop due to Pinterest group bots. Guys, you are not alone. With you, Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Subscribe, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.